Welcome, drones. Hello everyone, I'm RakshanSai and today let's learn about drones together. So let's dive in. Drones are also called as unmanned aerial vehicles. That means that drones are pilotless aircrafts. They contain two main parts, that is UAS, unmanned aerial aircraft system, and the flight controller. The speciality of drones is that they can be of varied shapes and sizes, and they have different uses. A drone was invented by Abraham Karim. Main uses of drones are recreational, photography, communication and commercial, military, flight and navigation. A drone can be of different structures too, namely X-frame, Y-frame, H-frame, hybrid X, square frame and stretched X-frame. The structure of the drone mostly depends on its purpose, which can be again divided into multi-rotor, single rotor, fixed wing drone and hybrid drones. So let's look about each and every one of them, shall we? Fixed wing drone. Fixed wing drones are used mostly for military. They have a range or radius of nearly 100 meters. But the problem is they are not very efficient. Their efficiency cannot be properly measured, and they follow VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing. Next, multi-rotor wing drone. Multi-rotor wing drone are large, maybe they cannot be defined large, but they are passenger drones. They are less efficient, but they are very safe. They also follow VTOL. Single rotor drones are also used for passengers, but the difference is that they have a high radius and they are mostly used for filmmaking. Hybrid drones are a combination of fixed wing drone and multi-rotor drones. So these drones cannot carry any payload because their main use is photography, filmmaking and surveillance. These are small, but they are quite stable. A basic drone has the following parts: frame, landing gear, power distribution board, ARDU pilot, brushless DC or BLDC motor, battery, ESC, transmitter, receiver and GPS. Now that we have learned the basics of drones, it's time for us to transform ourselves into drone acharyas. So let's begin exploring them, shall we?